Hello friends, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast, and today we have this fresh casting from 2025 Hot Wheels, the 73 Pontiac Firebird from Hot Wheels Muscle Mania. This one is number 8 out of 10. So I bought this at a price of 179, and the car is really good, one of my favorite casting. So nowadays it is very difficult to get your favorite cars because of lot of scalpers are out there, but still I have managed to get one of this. So this one is in white color, so let's unbox. Let's keep the card side and look at this beauty. Absolutely beauty. Wow, absolutely beauty. So let's start from the front. So in front we can see headlights are over there, but not painted. So most of the Hot Wheels mainline cars doesn't have headlight details, and this one doesn't have any headlight details at all, but we can see this engine grills and doesn't have any logos over here. So from the side we can see doesn't much details over here. It's a coupe car, that's why we can see only 2 seats over here, and back of the car there is no tail light details at all. And from the above we can see paint is not so well, but Hot Wheels mainline doesn't provide much details. You cannot expect much details from at a price of 179. That's no problem. But I liked really most this part. The hood is painted in very fantastic eagle details. The iconic Pontiac. And the windshield is made of kind of bluish tinted glass. Not bad. So now let's look at the wheels. Wheels is smooth as always, and wheel rims details is also looking very good in this chrome finish, white chrome finish. Now let's look at the rear. Wow, so below of the car we can see a lot of details is there, like this one and this drive shaft. We can see Hot Wheels logo is there, made in Malaysia, and there is a details of engine exhaust is also there. Not bad. I really like the car, so that's why I thought to keep this in my collection. Oh, let's do a roll test. Wow, it is rolling nice. So here it is, the 73 Pontiac Firebird. Hope you like this casting and hope you like this video also. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and stay tuned. We'll try to unbox a lot of very good cars. So let's meet to another video. Bye bye, take care.